Hi, this is Monica. Welcome back to my channel, Suds and Bees. In today's video, we will be making a Hugs and Kisses melt and pour soap. I wanted these overlapping hearts to be like a conversation heart. And I will show you in the middle of the video how I made the overlapping hearts. And for the top, I've made small heart embeds. This whole soap is made with baby buttermilk melt and pour, detergent free. I have used mango papaya to scent the soap because it's got a very mango fruity smell, and I felt it was very appropriate for this design. And I have added this fragrance oil at 4%. Don't forget to like this video so the algorithm pushes out to many more soap makers. And make sure to subscribe to my channel. So come on, let's go make it. Here I have a small mold, holds about 595 grams. My hearts turned out weighing 83 grams. So I want to be pouring 180 grams for the base so I can place my hearts. And to this, I'm going to add 7 grams of fragrance oil using the mango papaya. Spray with alcohol. I'm going to wait for it to set a little bit before we put our hearts in. Okay, let's see if we're ready. It's still kind of loose on here. We did scratch the hearts earlier. So I'm going to spray it with 91% alcohol. And hopefully it'll stay. If not, then we'll just pull them out and come back. I should have waited until... I'm going to wait a little bit longer and come back. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and try this again. While this was drying, I was preparing the rest of the soap batter. So here I have 342 grams of melt and pour and 13 grams of fragrance oil. So I think I'm going to scratch this again just because it turned into a little hot mess here. Now when we cut the soap, we may get some holes here. So just make sure that you save some of that purple soap that you cut from here or that we cut from here. Again, 91% alcohol. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that. Now I'm going to scratch this guy. So we're at 119. You don't want to be too much lower than that because it may not stick. So again, 91% alcohol. Okay, go ahead and spray. I'm gonna let this set and I'll be back. I'm still debating whether I want to do some little purple and pink swirls on top. I'll see how it goes. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, so I heated up this tiny bit of purple that I had, and it's pretty warm. And all I want to do is just... I waited too long. Let me get my heat gun. Okay, so I was hoping to get a little bit of a swirl, which I didn't. But that's the fun part of making soap, right? Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and let this set for a little bit, and then I'll come back and put the tops. I created little colored hearts of different colors. So once this starts setting up, we'll come and put them on. Okay, it's been a few minutes. Let me see if I can start putting these on now. I'm not sure if I can. I don't want them to sink. Okay, so I was so preoccupied trying to get the hearts in at the right temperature. I forgot to turn on the camera. So I put them all in, but you can see there's little creases in here. So I melted a little bit more of the white melt and pour, just so I can fill them in. Just, you know, clean it up a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this and just let it set, and we'll come back and cut it. So I have molded my soap. It's been about 2 days, so I'm hoping this cutter will be strong enough to cut this, because it is pretty set. It smells really good. There you go. I will clean this up. So let's go ahead and spray my Oh, the cutter did very well. If you can't cut straight like me, Maple Leaf makes this cutter for melt and pour. Oh, it turned out so cute. You can kind of see the purples on top. I'm very impressed how these are pretty well stuck together. I expected to see gaps on here that I had to fix later. Super cute. I can tell I didn't really center it though enough. See how this one's like, it should have been a little bit more on this side. It still looks cute though. If you get this cutter, it is very helpful if you spray it with alcohol before cutting. Now let's go put our hug and kiss. So it makes it a hugs and kisses soap. Okay, so now that they're all cut, we're going to, I have a toothpick here, and I'm just gonna write hug and kiss. I don't want to do hugs and kisses because I don't know if I have enough space for kisses. So maybe we should do the kisses first and see if we have space. No, it's gonna look too big. I'm just gonna put hug and kiss. If you have a stamp that says hug or kiss, and that's something you could use. I don't have one. Okay, my K didn't come out too well, but you get the gist. And so I'm going to continue and do these, and then I'm going to get some mica and we can fill them in. Okay, so I went ahead and finished all of them, and this is what they look like. I was going to add some mica inside, but I think this looks good. I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out, and I'm also hesitant to add mica inside, and it's just going to make a bigger mess of the heart. So I'm just going to leave them this way. So there you have it. We just made some Hugs and Kisses Valentine soap. Thank you for watching. See you next time.